Cons. Kotlin is a new programming language that has a lot of potential. However, there are some potential drawbacks to using Kotlin that developers should be aware of. One potential drawback is that Kotlin is not yet as widely adopted as other programming languages. This means that there is a smaller pool of Kotlin developers to hire from, and it can be more difficult to find Kotlin-specific resources and support. Another potential drawback is that Kotlin is not fully compatible with all Java libraries and tools. This means that some Java libraries and tools may not work with Kotlin or may not work as well as they do with Java. Finally, Kotlin is a relatively new language, and as such, it is still evolving. This means that new features and improvements are constantly being made, and older features may become deprecated. This can make it difficult to keep up with the latest Kotlin development and can make code written in Kotlin less stable over time.